The tiny tech revolution, how nanomachines are changing our world. What if I told you the key to solving some of the humanity's biggest challenges is hidden in the tiniest of things? No, not in a smartphone chip or even a single strand of DNA, but in the incredible world of nanotechnology. The machines so small that they're invisible to the naked eye are already changing the way we live. Imagine shooting hoops with the basketball. Easy, right? Now let's switch it up for a tennis ball. Still doable. But what if I give you a ping pong ball? Tougher, isn't it? And if we scaled it down to the size of a grain of sand, game over. The challenge isn't just about your aim, it's about physics. As things get smaller, the rules of the game change dramatically. And that's exactly what scientists deal with when they dive into the nano world. At the nanoscale, where objects are about 80,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair, gravity becomes almost irrelevant, and forces like surface tension and molecular bonds take center stage. This is where nanotechnology shines. From tiny machines delivering medicine inside your body to nanorobots cleaning up oil spills, these mini marvels are doing big things. But it wasn't always like this. Back in 1959, physicist Richard Feynman blew everyone's mind with a crazy idea. What if we could arrange atoms one by one like Lego bricks? Fast forward to the 1980s, scientists invented tools like this, scanning tunneling microscopes, and suddenly Feynman's vision became reality. Think about it. These room-sized computers from the 60s, thanks to nanotechnology, they've been shrunk into this. And Gordon Moore's prediction that computer circuits would keep shrinking every 2 years? Spot on. Today's chips are so tiny, they pack millions of transistors into something smaller than a grain of rice. And it's not just computers. Nanotechnology is saving lives too. Take cancer treatments. Scientists use gold nanoparticles to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, leaving healthy ones untouched. Or antiviral coatings that stop viruses like COVID-19 from spreading on surfaces. Oh, and my personal favorite, carbon nanotubes capture carbon dioxide from the air to fight climate change. Yep, nanotech is literally changing up our mess. But here's the thing, it's not all perfect. These tiny particles can have unintended effects on health and the environment. That's why scientists are working just as hard to make nanotech safe and sustainable. The future of nanotechnology is as exciting as it is mind-blowing. From nanorobots repairing our bodies to molecular machines building materials atom by atom, the possibilities are endless. So next time you marvel at the vastness of the universe, remember this: the tiniest innovation could make the biggest difference in shaping our world. As we have explored today, nanotechnology is not just about making things smaller, it's about opening up a whole new dimension of possibilities that can revolutionize industries and improve lives. From life-saving medical breakthroughs to energy-efficient solutions, the nano world is reshaping our future in ways we could barely imagine just a few decades ago. If you're fascinated by the impact of nanotechnology and want to dive deeper into similar groundbreaking topics, join us at ACadru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. This is Abhishek from ACadru Explainers, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning.